Go find some. There's more.
Right here. Right there.
Go get it.
Right there. Right here. Right there.
You just put it in. Don't squeeze it.
Can you find one,
Can you
Scott?
find some more?
13.
Put them in your basket.
Hey! Over here.
When you find them, put them in your basket. Okay, what's this?
Listen.
Is there more?
I got 15
Look.
candy, Dad.
Look, Kenny.
Dad. Dad. Over here. Dad.
Oh,
Look.
shoot.
Over there.
Kenny, look what Scotty found. Point really close so she can see it.
Right here.
Right there, Kenny. Go get it. Give her a little bit of room.
I got 16 candy, Dad. Hey!
Good job, Kenny.
Hey, Dad!
Kenny.
Look!
Yeah.
It's like right here.
It was hiding there?